Hello! Hi! Amazing, Julia. Well done. Hi over there and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip I'm gonna unbox the monthly Birchbox, which is hopefully not as late as the last one because I posted it in September. So yeah, let's just jump into the box, see what I got, and yeah, that's about it. If you want to see also the products being reviewed and discussed about, please stay to this channel, subscribe, because I'm bringing those clips as well. But obviously some of them have products that take a bit of a longer time to kind of like test out. Some of them I didn't have my time, like I didn't have my time around to test them out. So yeah, be patient because I'm definitely 100% bringing them. So yeah, I expected it to be more brownish, but if you would want to come out, here we go. So this is how the box looks. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. It's definitely not autumnal at all. I would have switched the the August one with September. If you did not see the clip, I will just link a card over there so you see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I always do kind of show you first what I have, and sometimes my angle is really stupid, but I hope this time is not stupid, and I hope nothing is gonna fall. Usually they fall. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I'm just catched that one, so let's see what it is. Body cream from Paris. Okay, it's just a body cream and it looks like this. It has 25 milliliters, and let's see the pricing. The full size is 15 pounds, which, you know, it doesn't say how many milliliters the full size. 75, that's not a lot. I think that's quite pricey if you would ask me. I'm gonna give it a sniff. Okay, I did not break my nail, thank God. So let's just wait. Yeah, it doesn't scream my name. It doesn't smell something like it's I like the fact that it's not strong, but it's not like it smells more like a soap, if you would ask me. A little. Yeah, it smells like soap. So that's not something that, you know, kind of like screams my name, but maybe the ingredients are good. Obviously I'm gonna let you know in the review version just because I don't have time doing that now. But now I've seen something that is exciting because it's pricey. In general, all of the products from Benefit are quite pricey, so whenever I see something from them, I'm excited, but at the same time, this is gonna be small. I can feel it. This is tiny AF. But you know, at least you could try it and see how it goes. So this is the Posy Tint Poppy Pink Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. So I assume you'll put it on cheeks, on lips, and yeah, that's what the cardboard says, Julia. Wow, I have no idea what's going on with me, but obviously I can't try it now because I already have stuff on my face. But you know, it's gonna be interesting because I think it's not the same, it might be new, but I'm pretty sure they still had a tinted thing for the lips and cheeks before, and YouTubers would always talk about it, and I'll be like, oh, I would like to try it, and I never did because it's pricey. The Posy Tint is costing 50 pounds. Now, a product that I have tried the brand before, this is the John Frieda London Paris New York Freeze Ease Weightless Wonder Feather Light Smoothing Cream. So all of the products, from what I can tell, they are like freezies, and I have frizziness a lot in my hair. So this is for like instant freeze control and smoothness without weighting it down. So yeah, I tried something similar from them and it was quite good actually. I mean, it would not put all of my rebel hairs down, no, sadly, because I think that would be impossible. But this is something that I think I might like it. I'll have to try it and talk about that in the review version of the clip. and that stands for £7, which I've seen they are kind of like not extremely pricey, but they are affordable for what they are, if you'd ask me, because they are quite good. Next product is this bottle. This is the Rose Gommage peeling gel. Ooh, that's interesting. I had not like had a peeling gel stuff from Birchbox. So this is the brand called Vo. I've never heard of it. It's closed. I'm just gonna smell it a bit. Oh, what is that? Look how much I'm pushing in. The product is not coming out. I don't like that, because that means the bottle is not fully full. What? Hello? Hi? Are you? Here we go. I don't like that. First start. 20 milliliters in such a big bottle. Come on, what the hell? Wow, they're very, very finely milled. That is insane. I never had something so finely milled. You can't even goddamn see them. They're kind of like doing this weird thing. Do you see? But yeah, I'm not quite sure what's the deal with that. I don't have a tissue. Amazing, Julia. Well done. I'm not obsessed with the smell. It's quite strong and very floral, so I'm not quite sure how my skin is gonna work with that. Oh, it's rose, that's why it smells so sweet. I mean, my skin doesn't react to perfume at all, but to be honest, it feels a bit harsh on my hand, which is something I don't like, but I will try it. But you have to stay close, like I said, for the other products to the review version. The VQ Rose Gommage Peeling Gel, it is priced for £15. Now, ooh, that is actually nice. I got something from Codlier, I think it's pronounced. Codlier, because it doesn't have an accent on the E. Yeah, I know this is French, and I'm bad at French. I've done it for so many years, and I'm still bad. But this is the Vino Pure Gel Purifying Gel Cleanser. Why I was trying to read the French version. So it's a purifying gel cleanser. Okay, so we do have two peeling gel and a gel cleanser. I think I'm really impressed with the skincare because I'm really excited to try them out. This is very liquidy. I don't know if you can hear it. It's very liquidy, which is interesting. So I'm gonna be careful when I'm opening this because I wanna... Oh, it smells nice. It smells very refreshing. It definitely is gonna be interesting. I feel my face will feel a sense of cooling because it smells like it has mint in it. So it might actually do have some mint. I'm curious. It has grapes. Oh, rosemary. Yeah, it doesn't have any mint, but it smells like something that would be cooling. And this is priced for £16, and the bottle looks quite big actually. This is 30 milliliters, and I think the bottle is like 100 or like 200. It looks more like a 200. They should put the full detail of the full-on product, because I want to kind of like point out that it's worth to buy a Birchbox or whether it's not like worth it. But I mean, it really depends on the product. To be quite honest, it's not Birchbox's fault, but yeah, that is promising. I mean, but yeah, I think that was it. I don't have anything else than the shredded paper. It's very interesting for me to see so many skincare products. To be quite honest with you, I only got one makeup item, but I'm not mad at it because I'm really starting to get myself into skincare and kind of like figure out what works for my skin. That is it for this clip from me for today. I do hope this was useful and relevant, and you will subscribe to this YouTube channel. Definitely hit that notification bell button, just because I do upload on Thursdays, but I think I'm planning to upload at least twice a week. But that is it so far. I will see you hopefully in the next one. I'm gonna pop one here. This is what YouTube tells me you like, so hopefully you're actually gonna like it and enjoy it. So just click that through, see how it goes, and then maybe you will actually subscribe, because I'm not forcing you to subscribe after just watching one clip. You should watch a bit more just to make sure you're gonna enjoy it. Yes. Bye.